Hello guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up Ontraport Action Automation for workflows within your agency and connect to your Ontraport platform and more informally execute actions directly from the workflow. Let's get started. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. Ontraport, there you go, we click on it, we go at install, and secondly, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed in, continue. We go at allow and install, we choose a plan, we confirm the plan, we complete the installation, and we automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. We click here to copy, we make sure it's copied, and then we switch to the agency in order to create the custom menu link. Back in the agency, we immediately go at settings and then custom menu link. Start creating a custom menu link. We go at create new. We fill this form. We start by selecting an icon. As you can see, we have a different icons here. When we're done, here we type a name for our custom menu link. How do you want to name it? By the way, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg apps. If you guys name your custom menu link by tools, make sure you have my tools when the time comes. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. Down here, we select an account where we want our tools to be available. And finally, we decide who we want to give access to all the information. When we're done, we make sure we save. The next step right now is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool to our Ontraport platform. So let's do it right away. Inside the sub account, we're going to look for the custom menu link. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu name Greg Apps. So if you name your custom menu name My Tools, make sure you have My Tools here. Let's go on Greg App. We get apps available and connected apps. So let's type Ontraport. There you go. Now we have to set it up. So let's go at the setup. There are some credentials required in order to get installation going. But before we go any further though, if you notice, we have here how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a small queue showing you how to get those credentials. But let's switch to our Ontraport platform in order to do it. Inside Ontraport, we come over here, we go at administration, and then in Ontraport API instructions and key manager, we click on it. New API key, we can say for example testing, type something here, say for example yes, and here we check, we go on save, here we say me, check the contact, save, we can say keys, we save, there we go, we have the API keys and there we go, we have our credentials. So we copy the ID, switch back here, we paste, and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected to our platform and we're able to start executing actions directly from the workflow for our Ontraport platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated support team who is available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.